Hi, Mohammed. My name is Tisha. Thank you so much for taking out time to watch my video. I wanted to just send a quick video just to show you how your website is doing in comparison to your competitors and offer some tips for improving your ranking and bringing in more business. I came across your company when I was Googling businesses in your area. So let's go ahead and get into the video. Now, today we'll be discussing three areas, so content, citations, and backlinks. So the first would be content. Now, content is anything that can be found within the website. So any words that you're using, pictures, how the pictures are saved, videos. So anything that is listed on your website. Now, in order to rank for Google, what they're looking for is a minimum of 1,500 to 2,000 words. Now, by having more content, you are able to include keywords. Now, keywords is are words that can be used on Google when looking for a certain service or a certain type of company. So it's very important to have as many keywords as possible so that people can find your website. The next would be citations. Now, when I Google plumbing in Stockton, California, let me show you what I found. So the first will be the pay click ads here on top. The next will be the map pack. Now, the map pack is very important to have you included here. Oftentimes, when people Google, they will click on the first companies that they see, go directly to their website, or make a call. And then, as I was mentioning, with citations, so it's anywhere that your business name, phone number, and address can be found on the web. So the more citations that you have, the more people are able to find your business. Now, this could be listed on Angie's List, Better Business Bureau, Facebook, LinkedIn, Home Advisor, okay, and also Yelp as well. Now, the next would be the organic search. So this is going to show you where you're actually ranking. Now, it's really important to get you here listed on the first page. I was able to find your company. Found you on page number 7, and it's looked like you're ranking number 64. So our goal would be to have you listed right there on the first page. Again, by being the first page, people are able to find your company faster. Now, just looking at the rankings, the first company that we see here would be JC Sewer and Drain. And then the second company that we would see would be Discount Plumbing. So those would be your two top competitors. So let's take a look and see how your website is doing. Now for this, we'll be using a website called Ahrefs. This shows you how the website is doing. These are not exact numbers, but it is a good way to find that information out. So the first that we see here would be backlinks. Now backlinks are any links that can be found on a website that leads back over to your web page. So I'm showing that you have 15 backlinks, and okay, and then in comparison, JC Sewer and Drain, they have 653, and then for Discount Plumbing, they have 2.3 or 2,300 backlinks. Now, not all backlinks are equal. Have you want to make sure that you have some good quality backlinks. So for example, a backlink coming from a restaurant versus coming from a hardware store would bring in a different amount of traffic to your website. So the more backlinks you have, the more traffic you'll have. And then the next would be organic keywords. So I'm showing that you have 8. And let's just go into those keywords. Now this is how you're being found on the website. So people are typing in plumbing, Stockton, plumbers in Stockton, pretty much the same. So Stockton plumbing. So one way that you can do this is by increasing those keywords that you're currently utilizing. For JC Sewer and Drain, they're utilizing 86 keywords. And they also have the plumbing in Stockton. And you see, so some of the same that you actually have as well. And then some is going to be their company name. Okay. So pretty much the same as you have as well. Then the next is going to be for discount plumbing. They're utilizing 485 keywords. So this is how they're being found. Emergency gas line, emergency gas plumbing, 24-hour septic service, cheap plumber near me, 24-hour plumbing service. So these are just some of the keywords that they're using. One thing that we can do is we can take a look at your competitors and see what type of keywords that they're using, and we can implement the same keywords on your website as well. Now, again, this is just an estimate, but for this, I'm not showing that you're getting any traffic to your actual website. And if you are, do apologize about that, but it's not showing you're bringing in too much traffic to the website. In comparison, if we look at JC Sewer and Drain, they're bringing about 101 people to their website, generating about $1,700 in revenue with that traffic. And then if we look at 24 discount plumbing 24, they're bringing in about 530 people to their website and bringing in about 6,800 to that $6,800 in revenue. So those are some areas that we may want to look at, just bringing in more people so that you can bring in more money. Okay. Yeah, I did just briefly want to show you their website as well. So this is JC Sewer and Drain, and this is their website. And then the 24-hour plumbing, this is their website. Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed some of these tips that I have provided. You're welcome to implement these tips on your own, but if you would like to have a more in-depth conversation, please give me a call back at 916-378-9773. One other thing I did forget to mention, I do notice that your website is actually is not secure. So this is actually something for Google. They actually take this in consideration when ranking your site. One thing is that they want to make sure that the site is secure, and a lot of times people will not go into a website that is not secure. So you could be losing customers because of that. They're not able to click on that website and feel that their information is safe. So that might be something you want to look at as well. But again, give me a call if you'd like to discuss these tips further. And then either way, though, I would love to hear back from you just to provide some feedback on what you think about the video. Again, thank you for taking your time out and watching my video. You have a good day.